Welcome to our YouTube channel. Wood is an incredibly versatile and widely used natural material with a rich history that dates back thousands of years. It has played a fundamental role in human civilization, serving as a source of fuel, shelter, tools, and artistic expression. So, let's dive into a detailed exploration of wood and its various aspects. Wood is a composite material primarily composed of cellulose fibers held together by a substance called lignin. It is derived from the stems, branches, and roots of trees, making it a renewable resource. The process of forming wood begins with the growth of a tree, which absorbs water and nutrients from the soil through its roots, while carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere through its leaves. Through a process called photosynthesis, trees convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose, which is then converted into cellulose. The cellulose fibers in wood provide it with exceptional strength, while the lignin acts as a natural adhesive, binding the fibers together. These unique properties make wood an excellent choice for a wide range of applications. The strength and durability of wood can vary depending on the species of tree and its growth conditions, giving rise to a diverse array of wood types with different characteristics. One of the remarkable properties of wood is its ability to resist compression and tension forces. This makes it suitable for structural applications, such as building construction, where it can be used in beams, columns, and trusses to provide support and stability. Additionally, wood's thermal insulating properties make it an excellent choice for both interior and exterior walls, helping to regulate temperature and reduce energy consumption. Wood is also valued for its aesthetic appeal. The natural grain patterns and colors found in different wood species can create visually stunning effects, adding warmth and beauty to furniture, cabinetry, and flooring. Wood can be finished and polished to bring out its natural luster and enhance its visual appeal further. Furthermore, wood has been a vital source of energy throughout history. It has been used as a fuel for heating and cooking, and it continues to be an essential renewable energy resource today. Wood can be burned directly, or it can be converted into charcoal or processed into wood pellets for more efficient combustion in modern heating systems. In addition to its structural and aesthetic uses, wood has been utilized for countless other applications. It has been employed in the manufacturing of paper, providing the raw material for books, newspapers, and packaging materials. Wood pulp is extracted from trees through a chemical or mechanical process and then transformed into paper through methods like pulping, bleaching, and drying. Wood also finds its way into many other products we use daily. It serves as a primary material for the production of musical instruments, such as guitars, violins, and pianos, where its acoustic properties contribute to the instrument's sound quality. Wood is used in the crafting of tools, utensils, and implements, including cutting boards, bowls, and handles, due to its strength and workability. Despite its many advantages, wood is not without its limitations and challenges. It is susceptible to moisture, rot, pests, and fire, which can degrade its structural integrity over time. However, through proper preservation techniques like drying, treating with preservatives, and applying protective coatings, the durability and longevity of wood products can be significantly enhanced. Sustainable forest management practices are crucial for the continued availability of wood as a resource. Responsible forestry ensures the replanting and regeneration of trees, preventing deforestation and promoting biodiversity conservation. It also helps to mitigate climate change by sequestering carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, as trees absorb carbon during their growth. In conclusion, wood is a remarkable material with a rich history, unmatched versatility, and a wide range of applications. From its strength and durability to its aesthetic appeal and renewable nature, wood continues to be an indispensable resource in our modern world. Its sustainability, combined with advancements in processing and preservation techniques, ensures that wood will remain a valuable and cherished material for generations to come. Thanks for watching.